All right, this video is for homework assignment 3 for PHP, Hypertext Preprocessor for Shasta College, Computing Sciences. So in the programming assignment, you got to read through these modules. It talks about working with HTML forms and a working HTML form, and then the client side versus server side include. And what we're doing is we're doing the server side include, and then to validate the PHP form. So let's look at that really quick. And if you go down through here, this has the first form. You copy and paste this code into. So it goes through, you copy your code first, and then talks about this statement here, making it ability for hackers to hack into it. So in PHP, you add in this statement. Actually, you add in this statement, I should say, into your sample. So if you do that, like for instance, if you start with your sample, you copy and you paste your code in here, then you get your main form that looks like this. And I call that sample 4. And then later on, after you change this, you add this line in on your sample 4 form, which would be right here. So you do that, make sure all that works correctly. And then to validate your user input, let's talk about this, and then validate the email address. But if you go to this link right here, the copy of the code, you open that, it gives you your sample form, and it has a whole bunch of error checking. So if you just copy and paste this, all this, whoops, copy and paste all that, and then you can copy and paste that into a new document, save it as a PHP file, make sure you save it in your htdocs folder. I'll call this five, 3. Okay. Oh, whoops. I'll just save it as I forgot to add the PHP extension. Sample 5 php3.php. There you go. And changes it over. Cool. So what ends up happening in the homework assignment, we look at that really quick. It wants us to make a form that looks like this, and it has a product name and a quantity and international shipping, and you submit your order of your product, contact, and that's your output. So if you do that on your form, so this is sample 5, so we'll look at sample 5 really quick. This is, I already did it, so we'll use sample 5. Whoops. Whoops. What call this? Oh, sample 5 PHP3. Ooh. Got me. There we go. PHP. So it's your just your regular form. And you got male, female, and then there's your output at the bottom. So if we want to change that to look like the ABC shipping, you start out here with your H2 tag, your header 2, Change this to ABC shipping. And see how this form already has PHP special characters right here in the post action. So we got to change this to say product, right? But you see how it says name over here? So, and then if we go up, our first one here is a name error. So before we do that, let's copy this, because we're going to keep name, but we're going to add one to it. We're going to call it product. So paste that, and we're going to comment that out. We'll comment that. And you can comment multiple lines of code out just by / and an asterisk, and then to uncomment it, asterisk, and then a / and that's comment. We're not going to use that, but I wanted to keep it, so because we're going to change this to product. But before we do that, see how we have name and name up here? So let's add a variable. We called it product error. Oops. Space, add one down here, call this one $product. And we're going to need another one down here called quantity. So we'll add one here, there first, quantity, space, and that should be all of them. So here, we're going to change this to product. Make sure you spell it correctly too. We'll change this to oh, we need one more variable up here. Oh, we have it. Put equals here. That separates the product. We'll call this product error. Error. We'll call this product as well. So we'll go down, and I said we're going to change this to product. That's what it's going to be called. And change this one to product. And then change this one to product error, because that's your error checking. Product error. So let's save that as sample 5 PHP 3. And we'll try running that just really quick to see where we're at now. Ooh, line 14. Let's see what we did wrong on line 14. I forgot an equal sign here. Save that again. We'll run it again. And there we go. So we can put a plate, email, and it doesn't display the product name yet. So, okay, well, where's that at? That's at the very bottom here. We had to put that one and change that one to product. So that should be for that. So this one will be quantity, right? So we want to have the quantity because we got to change that one too. And then the gender will be shipping. So we'll change that to shipping. So we'll change those up here. This should be shipping. We'll change this name from gender to shipping. Same with this. Say yep. And we'll say no. So those are our 2 radio button values. And then we'll comment this line out because we're not going to use it. So let's comment it out. So that's for shipping. And then it was, what was it, the website we changed to quantity. Okay, we'll change that to quantity, and we'll call that quantity. And you notice how I'm using lowercase letters on when it's in the form itself. And then we'll call this quantity error, and the variables are also lowercase too. So then we'll go back up, and we need to change the thing up there to say this should be shipping. It should be shipping. And then this was website we changed to quantity, so we'll do quantity. Quantity. And change that to say quantity as well. I just saw one little thing down here. This needs to say quantity too. Those three there need to say quantity. Oh no, there's shipping in there. Sorry. Shipping is required. Okay. So that's quantity. And this should say quantity as well. So we need to change gender to say shipping. So we could add a equals $ shipping. Let's just put a comment in here. So we'll just change the variable completely. So we'll just change this from gender to shipping. And we'll get rid of this altogether. Shipping quantity, that looks good. And we're going to change this to say quantity. So I'm pretty sure that hopefully is everything, but we'll see if I have any errors. Oh, 992. All right, well, what do we do over there? Oh. Quantity error. Okay. Did we not? Oh, maybe we didn't spell it right. Quantity. Find next. Quantity. Okay. Quantity. Oh, maybe 92 is not spelled. Oh, it's not. I forgot an N there. Let's see. Quantity. All right, right, now I'll save it. And we'll run it. So let's say, what are we gonna? We'll buy some scissors. And we'll buy 5 pairs of those. Got some comments. It's an international ship. Oh, 81 too. And submit. So it's not posting the name, which is 81. All right. Ah, remember this is supposed to say shipping here. Let's save that really quick. Save. So that should be your shipping error. And let's see what your the post should be posting your product name. So product, I'll call product name. Name is required. Post. So yes, that's where it is right there. That needs to be changed to product. And hopefully, I think that's everything. Scissors. 5. 81 still, something's wrong with it. So, okay, let's go back to 81. Shipping. Oh, did we not? Oh, we see that we forgot to put shipping error up here. So we got quantity error, but we didn't put shipping error in there. So let's put shipping error in there too. Equals. And we'll save it. There we go. We got our scissors, our email address, our quantity, and our comments. So let's make sure we're getting our shipping too. I don't think it posts our shipping. Oh, there it is. Shipping, input type, shipping error. Oh, that's if you don't. So if we go back and it'll post a thing that'll say, oh, shipping is required. So, and we don't select anything, it'll say, oh, their shipping is required. That's what happens. So let's make sure it says that, because G in there. And then we got our shipping is required, so we need to put our shipping in there. Cool. So anyway, that's PHP homework assignment 3, introduction to PHP for Shasta College. Homework assignment 3. And these are those. You got to make sure these all say the same thing. It's your quantity. Or shipping. Oh, that's why we weren't seeing it. It's right there. Let's show that again. Ah, see, it's saying female, so that's wrong. So we gotta have it say shipping because it's not a gender thing. So this has got to be say international. Oh, that should say yes. This should say international. Shipping should say yes. And this should say no. So that should be everything now. Let's run it one more time. Okay. So it's the products of scissors, email address, 5, and international shipping, yes. There you go. So that's it right there. So that's Shasta College Introduction to Visual Basic, or not Visual Basic, what did I say? Hypertext Preprocessor, PHP for Shasta College for fall semester of 2020. So thanks for watching, and I'll post if there's anything else I can think of, because that's the homework assignment. So anyway, I hope that helps you guys. So thanks for watching. All right, bye.